DeepCuts is my application to manage my sound library, and it has some really cool features. For example, you get the full map by sonic similarity of your songs. If they are close by, they mean they sound similar. Not just that, the cool feature I just added is the ability to look at the sound structure of the song, chorus, verse, and detect it automatically. Look at here. It automatically detects that there is an intro, verse, chorus, and you can see it on the map. You can also find similar songs, so all of these have similar structure, or you can find songs that sound similar. This sounds similar to this one. You can search by key, you can search by genre, look at here, all of this is automatically extracted. There is a AI description of the song, automatic tagging, motif profiles, genre. You can even chat with your songs. So you have this song, you can ask, give me arrangement tips to improve it. It doesn't do a good job, to be honest, because it's like taking someone from the street and asking for arrangement tips. But you can do very cool stuff with it. The first time it runs, it takes a bit of time, but afterward it is actually fast. So if I ask now what instruments are used in the song, as you see, it's super fast. So if you're interested in testing it, this is open source and free, and I'll give you a little bit more information about the features now. Otherwise, have a good day. Let's go to the main library. As you see, there are all the songs. There is the waveform colored by the different structure that has been found. There are automatic key and BPM detection. You can search by keywords. These are extracted from metadata. For example, the songs I have by Madonna, or by directory, file name, whatever. You can search by this description, and it doesn't do, basically search for the same concepts. It doesn't search for the same text. So I can search for down tempo, and even though this doesn't say down tempo, it finds it. You can search for AI sound. So you can search for drums. There are drum, harpsichord, and find things that sounds like an harpsichord. You can search, as I said, for strong song structure. The easiest way is to actually click here. And then this is the song structure of this one, and maybe I want something that else. Intro, some verse, and then a chorus. You can search by genre, naturally, rock. All of this can be exported as a playlist. It has an automatic playlist as well. As you see, there is a spectrogram, so you can know if some bass uses some bass, what is the actual sound at a glance. You can add tags or remove tags, because sometimes it makes error. You can search for these emotive profiles. These are exactly in your network. So, for example, this is an acoustic and relaxed song. If I want to search something similar, I can automatically add it here, or I can just click here and add my own settings to the search. You can add on music if you have audiobooks and stuff like that, and you can search for some audio files that contains vocals or instrumentals. Here there is this playlist and filters. You can find duplicates. So these are exact duplicates. Probably I have two copies. These are the same song, but maybe with different encoding, or they have different remixes. As you go down, then it starts to make errors, and there are no more duplicates. All of this is done by running these analyze spaces. It can take a lot of time. On my machine, it takes about 2 hours to scan 2,000 songs, but you do it once. And here you can compare statistics between groups of songs. For example, my songs on Suno with my reference songs. You can see different BPM distribution, key distribution, mood profile, top chance, vocal character, and also the same settings as the map. You can compare the two and see how they're organized. The first time you run, you should actually add your songs here. Start with a few songs because you can test all the features without having to wait a lot of time. And you have to click here to download the neural models. It's about 6.3 gigabytes of data. And this is a very early software. I would like your help to debug it and develop it. It's open source, as I said, so you can actually report bugs on GitHub, and I will work on them or comment on my YouTube videos. You can click here to get the logs and to get the data. It's just a SQL database, so you can actually query it. The other things that it has here, you can inspect how fast it's going. You can basically see Gantt traces of all the steps, see the recent failures. And that's it. That's everything I wanted to show. Oh, the last thing, you can reveal where the files are here, so you can drag and drop them in your DAW. This is the main feature I built the software for. Have a nice day.